hands.
Oh.
Oh, good job.
Okay, that's major.
Good job.
Yeah, you can fill it up again.
I mean, this should be hooked up to the power grid.
It'd probably work better. It couldn't be hacked.
Use the smaller one. This will work well. We do this one.
There might be some brownouts, but
Yeah.
oh my God, okay.
The picture I took, he's just pouring the sand here. That's pretty cool.
You just have to get the sun to turn around, Mike, for it to go properly. Yeah, it's going the wrong.
It's like a little fairy.
All right, now that's impressive. Oh.
Oh, that's kind of a cool piece. I like.
Well, this is really something.
Whoa, you did it. You did it. Okay, hold on. You did it the whole
Well,
way, no?
Dad, I think you've got some words to eat.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
Oh, my own personal masseuse.
Oh my God.
Yes. Oh, that's so good.
wonderful.
You should do this for mommy and daddy. They would love it.
Yes.
Love it. Feels good? Feels good, huh?
She's got to give you a good pitch.
I know. Watch the ball. Make eye contact. See it? Got it?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
You can race me. I'll run. You do that.
Oh. He wants to bring it back to net.
Here, girl. I'm gonna win.